organizations from Assam, including AASU, civil society and tribal organization, 3 from Nagaland and all political party Manipur government and MANPEC had a meeting at Assam House last night regarding citizenship bill. The meeting was attended by Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma. As a part of the security measures taken up by the District Police Bishnupur, a combined team conducted cordon and search operation in various locations of Oinam Ward No. 9, Bishnupur District this morning. Altogether, 409 individuals were verified by police. 2 persons without proper ID cards were picked up for further verification. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the permanent campus of the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute at Maudiang in Shillong yesterday. According to media reports, Conrad lauded the efforts of all government officials and employees, both past and present, who have been instrumental in building and nurturing the institute from its inception to the present stage. All the 8 northeastern states have upped their ante against the growing menace of drug abuse in the region. The region bordering China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan has lately turned into a corridor for drug smuggling. Police chiefs of all northeastern states held a meeting in Agartala in this regard. A snow avalanche hit an army post in Tangdhar area of Kupwara district last afternoon, where at least 2 soldiers were trapped. As per media reports, search and rescue operations were carried out till late last evening but had to be suspended due to inclement weather, and rescue operations resumed this morning. In another incident, a foot patrol of the army was hit by an avalanche in the War area of Gurez sector of Bandipora district, trapping 2 soldiers.